So you're going to come over here. It says please set up Wiki first. I'm going to click this right here. All right, it's gonna do a few things. It's gonna check a few things and make sure you can install everything correctly. Then it's gonna ask you for your wiki name. So I'm gonna call this Crowpedia. In contact email, I'm gonna go ahead and put my email address in here. Why not? gmail.com. Language English. I'm not going to have any license metadata because this is going to be totally on my website. It's going to be on my computer. I'm not going to do anything. Admin username, you do need to put in something for this. This should be the same password that you chose earlier. So I'm going to type root. Right here I'm going to type root again. Object caching, I don't know what any of that stuff means. I'm just going to keep going here. Email features, I'm going to say okay, enable them, enable email notification, blah 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 blah. Alright, database type, MySQL, that's what we want. Database host, local host, there we go. Database name, I'm going to call this CrowDB. Database username, wiki user. DB password, I'm going to say root. And root. And super user account, I'm going to also put a password in there. Same thing, root. MySQL specific options. Just go ahead and leave this, and we're going to go install Mediawiki. Oh, something's not right. Make sure everything's filled out correctly. Let's see if I miss something here. Database username needs to be root. Needs to be whatever you chose before. So install Mediawiki, and this will go ahead and set up your Mediawiki, your Wikipedia, your personal Wikipedia. So here we are. You should see a screen like this. Come down here, it'll say something like move the config local settings PHP file to the parent directory, then follow this link to your wiki. Alright, so I have to do that. I'm going to go to CrowWiki, and inside that there's this config directory. Move this down so you can see it. So here's this local settings. I'm just going to move this. So let's say cut. I'm going to paste it in here. I just went up one directory. This is the parent directory right here inside the CrowWiki directory. I'm going to go back. I'm going to click on this, and here we are. Here's our wiki. Notice it says CrowWiki, Crowpedia up here, and I can go ahead and I can start making entries. Let's say Mr. Crow. There's no entry yet, so yes, I would like to create that page. Mr. Crow is funny looking. He has big ears. And now we can save the page. And now I've got an entry in there called Mr. Crow. So we've got our Wikipedia, our personal Wikipedia up and running. If we want to bring down our server, we just come over here and we say stop all services. And now notice once you do that, you won't have access to localhost. Whoops! If I go to localhost, it won't bring it up because the Apache web server is not running. So this was how to install a personal Wikipedia on your own computer. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you next time.